first product in 1984 was the Extractor Pump Kit. The Extractor Pump removes poison from snake bites, wasp and bee stings, mosquito bites, and more. The pump acts as a vacuum which provides the most powerful suction available to remove venom from the body by sucking it out the same cavity through which it was injected. There's no need to use dangerous blades or knives that come in less effective bite kits. To use the extractor, select the suitable size suction cup, pull the trigger to its full extent, and place the suction cup over the bite or the sting. Using your thumb, press the plunger all the way in until you feel the suction and let the pump remove the poison. This should take about 60 to 90 seconds for insect bites. Pull the plunger out to gently release the vacuum. For snake bites, center a suction cup over one fang hole at a time and alternate between fang holes every 2 to 3 minutes for 15 minutes. Discontinue use after 15 minutes. Retrieving venom can significantly improve treatment results. Most snake bites occur in the extremities like the arms, lower legs, or the ankle, and the effectiveness of the extractor pump varies with the location of the snake bite. The extractor pump can most effectively remove venom that pools outside the muscle areas, and venom often pools outside the muscles and bites to the hands, feet, and ankles. In large muscle areas like the calf, the venom enters the circulatory system much quicker, and the extractor pump is less effective at removing venom in those areas. Stings and insect bites leave venom and poisons close to the skin surface where they can easily be retrieved. Best results occur when you apply the pump quickly before fluids enter the circulatory system. However, mosquito bites can be treated successfully hours after the bite has occurred.
Life is full of exciting milestones, but even the ones you expect can happen before you're ready. InGear's auto safety tools prepare you and your loved ones in an auto emergency, giving you instant peace of mind. Auto Escape by InGear is the most advanced self-rescue tool of its kind. Its military-grade aluminum body is both waterproof and impact-resistant. Its powerful front LED projects 135 lumens on high and boasts a 28-hour SOS mode. Auto Escape allows you to quickly get out of dangerous situations. Its high carbon steel blade instantly slices through seatbelts, and 2 separate steel tips allow you to easily smash through glass. An included easy access mount keeps Auto Escape within quick reach, ready when and where you need it. As your loved ones hit the open road, trust that Auto Escape's exceptionally equipped auto safety features will keep them safe and out of harm's way.
Hi, my name is Stuart Yo. I'm from Salt Lake City, Utah, and this is my backyard. I've grown up exploring these mountains, camping, backpacking, fishing, and skiing. When you're in the wilderness, a variety of jobs can come up, but you need to be picky about your gear when every ounce counts. I realized I needed a lightweight tool that could do multiple tasks. I'd like to introduce the Spar Tool. The Spar Tool is a shovel, an axe, a machete, a saw, a hammer, a pick, a pry bar, and a bottle opener. Spar Tool weighs less than 3 pounds and is constructed from spring-tempered 1075 carbon steel and shatterproof Zytel polymer. Its solid build has no hinge or other moving parts, making it lighter and more durable than the competition. Its sharpened edge cuts deep with every swing. Its handle and cutting surfaces are aligned to ensure a safe and effective stroke.